Lines are one of the basic elements of art and design. They can be found everywhere around us, in nature, buildings, and even in drawings. By understanding different types of lines, we can create, interpret, and appreciate art and design in new ways. Today, let's explore the various types of lines and how they influence the world of art. Vertical lines go straight up and down. You can see them in the sides of a bookshelf, a flagpole, or a tall tree. Vertical lines can make objects look taller, stronger, and more stable. These lines often give a sense of height and strength. Horizontal lines go straight across from left to right. Think of the horizon where the sky meets the sea, a table surface, or stripes on a shirt. Horizontal lines create a sense of calm, rest, and stability. Try drawing a calm ocean scene using horizontal lines. Notice how these lines make your picture feel peaceful and balanced, like a serene landscape or a still surface of water. Diagonal lines slant. They are neither vertical nor horizontal. Examples include the slope of a hill, a ramp, or a ladder leaning against a wall. Diagonal lines can add movement, direction, or tension to a drawing. They make objects look as if they are moving or leaning. Why might you use diagonal lines to show movement in a drawing? They can create action, adding energy and direction to your art. Zigzag lines are made of sharp turns in alternating directions like lightning bolts, mountain ranges, or zigzag patterns on clothes. Zigzag lines can suggest excitement, energy, or confusion. Think about how zigzag lines might make a drawing look more lively or chaotic. By adding these lines, your art can appear more dynamic, energetic, or even a bit wild. Thin lines are narrow, like hair or thread, and can look delicate, light, or detailed. Thick lines are wider, like a tree trunk or a bold border, and can look strong, bold, or noticeable. Draw two objects, one with thin lines and one with thick lines. Notice how they look different. The thin lines might make your drawing look more fragile and detailed, while thick lines make it look stronger and more prominent. Broken lines are not continuous. They have gaps or spaces, like a dashed line on a road, cut out patterns, or footprints. Broken lines can suggest something incomplete, hidden, or less important. Try using broken lines to draw a path. See how it changes the way your path looks. It might feel like a journey with interruptions or steps that are not fully connected, adding a sense of uncertainty or softness. Dotted lines are made up of dots placed closely together. You might see them as a dotted line on paper, paths on maps, or sewing guides. Dotted lines can show something temporary, soft, or indicate a trail. Think about how dotted lines guide us in instructions or diagrams. They help direct attention subtly, showing where to go, what to follow, or what's tentative without being too strong or overpowering. Different lines bring unique qualities to art and design. Vertical lines add strength and stability. Horizontal lines bring calm and balance. Diagonal lines add movement and tension. Zigzag lines create excitement and action. Reflect on how using different lines in your drawing changed the way it looked. Each type of line brings its own effect, adding variety and depth to your artwork. Let's discuss a few questions to reflect on our line use. What can vertical lines tell us about buildings? They often make buildings look taller and stronger. How do horizontal lines make us feel in a landscape? They create a peaceful and stable feeling. Why might zigzag lines make art feel more dramatic? Zigzag lines add excitement and tension, making the art feel more intense. For our class activity, let's create a mind map of different lines and their uses. Summarize your insights on how lines make art more interesting, showing their different effects and adding to the creativity of our designs.